Your design work just got smarter with Pikto AI Studio. Turn your ideas into pitch-ready presentations and infographics in minutes. Plus, it preserves your content. Just drag in a doc and you're ready to pitch. And with our AI outline tool, changes are as simple as drag, drop, and generate. Or, if you need a little help, turn text into shareable posts, pitch-ready decks, and more. Not quite right? Don't worry, you have options. Still off-brand? Not anymore. And no matter the format, we've got you covered. You found the perfect image, but it's not quite perfect? With our AI Upscaler, we can help.
Oh no, there is text on your image. Not anymore. Still not right?
Make it your own with our Image Modifier. Plus, we can remove backgrounds, bring life to the past, and handle the boring stuff so you can spend more time designing and less time tinkering. All this and more, all in one place. Loved by over 14 million professionals. Our AI keeps every design on brand, every idea intact, and everything you need in one place. Your work just got smarter. A lot smarter with Pikto AI Studio. Sign up today.